Hey there, you green thumb gurus and couch-bound connoisseurs. We're diving into a sticky situation today. Not that kind of sticky. We're talking about the differences between live resin and live rosin. So let's break it down real quick. Both of these beauties come from the plant that you know and love, but their journey to your dab rig or edibles is a little different. It's like two stoner buddies going on a road trip. Same destination, just two totally different routes. Let's start with live resin, which is pretty much the rock star of cannabis concentrates. It's fresh frozen cannabis, so it maintains that full spectrum of the plant, giving you that nice entourage effect. Important to note, live resin using solvents like butane to set you on your high-octane adventure of stony fun. Now let's talk about the underdog, live rosin. This beautiful, artisanal, eco-friendly concentrate is like your cousin who shows up to the family gathering with organic snacks. Live rosin doesn't use any solvents. It just uses heat and pressure, kind of like a fancy French cheese. Imagine a hydraulic press squeezing the goodness out of fresh buds. Boom! You've got yourself some rosin that's full of flavor and free of those pesky solvents. It's like the vegan option at a barbecue. Tasty, but also a bit bougie. So what's the weed wisdom for today? If you're looking for that super pungent flavor with a nice blast of THC, then live resin is your jam. But if you're more of a keep it clean and classy kind of stoner, then live rosin might be the way to go. It's like choosing between a wild party or a chill night in with a good movie. Great vibes all around, just two totally different vibes. In the end, if you're team resin or team rosin, remember to dab or make edibles responsibly. And who knows, maybe you like both. Maybe you can try both. It's kind of like dating. Good to get out there, prospect, and see what's in the world, and find what you really love. And thank you for joining me today, my fellow cannabis aficionados. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video if you found it valuable. And if you want to dive in more to cannabis infusions and concentrate videos, feel free to check out masonpot.com, the home of the ultimate craft cannabis infuser and decarb kit. We also have that YouTube channel linked below. Show some love would be much appreciated. Happy dabbing and happy day.